feel the music. Oh yeah. No. If you actually have regular singles, please bring them up here. I appreciate that. Debit cards work as long as you provide the PIN. Seeing these models and making this stage quake by cheering to get them out here. So, on the count of 3, we'll give it a try. 1, 2, 3, cheer. Excellent. That is the kind of enthusiasm and emotion. Is your suit sagging in the low back bone.
Hey, I'm a stripper Deadpool.
Yeah, you are. I hate to see you go, but I love to see you walk away. All right, so everyone does know that they're here for the J Fashion Show, right?
Yeah.
And are you excited to see all the fashion models tonight?
Yes.
Excellent. All right, I do apologize on behalf of everybody as well as, the organization of this. It got a little bit late. We had a couple of late models as well as also letting people sit down a little late. But other than the fact of that, it means that you get to see more J Fashion. Is that not a good trade-off? That's right. Okay, so I believe without much further ado, I think we can actually get on our way. All right, so we lost the music and it made me feel awkward as everyone was staring at my backside. Then again, it doesn't make me really feel awkward that anyone's staring at my backside. It makes me feel nice. Are our models ready? Yes? Oh. Okay, so I have to do my classic stall tactic, so guess what that is? Yeah, totally winging it. Also, if your name is Cash, raise your hand. Woo! There you go. All right. There's your seat. Anyways. Coming up, let's see. We're going to have to go ahead and stall. So... No! We are not going to tell that story. That is, in fact, reserved for my panel. If you ever want to hear the fabled elevator story, you're going to have to come attend. Yeah, I know that doesn't make a lot of sense, so again, you're gonna have to come to Uncle Yuki's Story Hour one of these years.